Do you have hard time falling asleep? Do you need something to aid in developing a regular sleeping pattern? Fret not, this video will tell you more about the product which will help you fall asleep fast every night.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and tap on that notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today I'll be sharing about this product sent to me by our friends from Manila. And this is going to be Chewy Bear Supplement Sweet Dreams Melatonin Sleeping Gummy Bear. Yeah, you heard it right. It is a gummy bear, but please don't give this to your kids. Each bottle has 60 gummies. Each gummy has 3 milligrams of melatonin in it. So please make sure keep this out of reach of your kids. Now let me talk about more of the product. This is a product which supports people who experience sleeplessness at night. Or let's say if you're working late at night and then in the morning you have hard time falling asleep because you're used to the nightly sleep pattern, this will be the product that you need to look for. So if you look for them in Facebook, just search Chewy Bears PH. Once again, each bottle has 60 gummies and each gummy has 3 milligrams of melatonin. So please make sure to take and follow the recommended dosage only. Never go beyond 2 gummies per night or per use. And if you're either lactating, breastfeeding mom, or you are pregnant, please make sure to consult your doctor before you take any supplements like this which contains melatonin. And the good news is that this product is halal approved. It is soy free. It is good for both genders. It's vegan and has no GMO. So once again, if you're having hard time falling asleep at night, if you have insomnia, other people tend to look for sleeping pills. Sadly, these pills have a lot of side effects and may harm your body. This gummy bear doesn't have drugs in it. This is drug-free and this is non-habit forming nighttime sleep aid. It can be taken occasionally, but of course, any kind of food supplement must be taken in moderation. If you already formed a pattern of regular sleep already, you can discontinue the use of melatonin, and once it comes back, your insomnia comes back, if your sleeplessness comes back, then take 1 gummy bear per night. And also, if you have known medical conditions wherein you're also taking medicines, please make sure that they're not contradicting these melatonin gummy bears by asking your doctors way ahead before you take one of these. So, for your information, our bodies, even animals and plants already have melatonin inside our bodies. And this is produced by the pineal gland inside our brain. So in case the production of melatonin drops and then you have this sleeplessness at night, this is where the melatonin gummy bears come in handy. It will aid in forming a regular sleeping pattern so that you will go back to the normal sleeping pattern that you had before, wherein you won't take hours trying to figure out how to fall asleep again. And another fun fact, melatonin is produced in darkness. It's actually a response of your brain whenever it is already surrounded in a dark environment. So for every bottle that you receive, it will be sealed. So make sure it's sealed when you receive it. If not, let the seller know. Okay? So here, I'm opening it for you. And then this is the kind of bottle cap that you need to push and then twist to open. So I love these kinds of caps because kids have hard time opening it. And then when you open it, there's going to be another silver seal. There you go. So it is blueberry in flavor. You can actually determine by the smell of it and also the color. And this is how it looks like. It actually looks like a koala bear. Here you go. But I did not try this really, just to be honest, I did not try it because my sleeping pattern has been well these past few days, because of course I also have another medication aside from that to help me to get the best quality of sleep. So it's a good thing that Gummy Bears PH was able to send me a bottle in case I run out of the medication that I have to help me fall asleep in case I have hard time. So there you have it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you will support Chewy Bears PH by contacting them in Facebook and by purchasing this product from them. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you in my next vlog. In case you have any products that you'd wish me promote, please make sure to email me at maan51989@hotmail.com. I would love to support your business. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you wish to support my channel, subscribe, tap that notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. And if you're watching this from Facebook, don't forget to like and follow my page to receive updates of my new uploads. So if you're willing to support any of my causes, which are Cebu Saviors, Love Your Mind, Bisaya YouTubers Club, please make sure to email me or send me a direct message so that I can accommodate you. Once again, thank you so much for your support. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye, lovey!
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.